Look around you, from the smallest cell in your body to the vast galaxies in space. Everything follows a perfect system. Everything has a purpose. Nothing exists by accident. This video is a reminder that there is a creator, a designer behind all of this. Let's start with something close to us, our own body. Did you know your heart beats around 100,000 times a day without you even thinking about it? Your lungs take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide automatically. Your brain processes millions of signals every second. And what about how life begins? A human starts as a tiny drop, smaller than a grain of sand. Inside the mother's womb, in just a few weeks, the baby's heart starts beating. Then the tiny fingers, eyes, and ears form in perfect order. Who teaches this lifeless cell to grow into a complete human being? Even in embryology, scientists have discovered something fascinating. Dr. Keith Moore, one of the world's leading embryologists, was amazed by this. He said, "These descriptions in the Quran could not have been known at that time." How could an illiterate man in the 7th century know this? The way develops inside. Matches exactly what was described in the Quran over 1400 years ago. Now, let's dive into the ocean. The sea is home to millions of species. Tiny plankton, colorful corals, giant sharks, and creatures so strange they look like aliens. And then we have the blue whale, the largest animal ever to exist. It can grow up to 30 meters long and weigh nearly 200 tons. That's as heavy as 30 elephants. A single blue whale eats about 4 tons of krill every day. Despite its massive size, it only consumes tiny sea creatures. But whales don't just exist for themselves. They play a key role in the ocean's ecosystem. Their waste fertilizes plankton, which produces most of the oxygen we breathe. That means the air you're breathing right now. Thank the ocean. Thank the whales. Our planet is not just a random rock floating in space. The Earth is perfectly balanced for life. The distance from the sun is just right. Too close, and we'd burn. Too far, and we'd freeze. The atmosphere protects us from deadly radiation. Water exists in all 3 forms: solid, liquid, and gas, allowing life to thrive. Even something as simple as a seed turning into a plant is a sign. Place a tiny, lifeless seed in the ground, add water, and soon it grows into a tree. Who taught the seed how to become a tree? Who placed this system where fruits grow in different seasons, each with its unique color, taste, and nutrients? And beyond Earth, there are trillions of galaxies, each with billions of stars. Some stars are so large that our sun would look like a tiny dot next to them. The universe is expanding, something the Quran mentioned long before modern science confirmed it. But here's the question. If even a single atom in the universe is following a set rule, then how can all of this be without a creator? Everything we see, from the tiniest cell to the largest galaxy, follows a perfect order. Science doesn't deny the creator, it points towards him. So, take a moment to reflect. Look at yourself, the world around you, and the sky above. Every part of existence is whispering the same message. There is a creator, a designer behind all of this.